Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina, and today it's another verse of the week out of the Experiencing God book. If you're interested in the Experiencing God book, I do have a link down below from Amazon where you can get it there. I love this course. I think it is of value to any good Christian who wants to understand, learn more about the Lord and about your relationship to the Lord and how you can make it better. So this one is Luke 14:33. Every one of you who does not renounce all his possessions cannot be my disciple. Luke 14:33. Yeah, that hits hard for somebody who buys a lot of stuff, huh? Every one of you who does not renounce all his possessions cannot be my disciple. Luke 14:33. Be hard, but I do it. I don't know about Cali Cat though. Anyway, y'all, I hope you enjoyed this. Have a wonderful day and God bless.